Hi guys, let's go to Sisu Valley with us. We took a scooty, crossed the Atal Tunnel, and we reached there. The view after the Atal Tunnel is completely different from what we saw before. Here we have the Sisu Lake, the Sisu waterfall. This is the Chenab River. The only way to reach that waterfall was actually the zip line, and that's where we have to go. So we took the zip line and then we had to take a walk for like 2 to 3 kilometers, which took us approximately some 10 to 15 minutes. We reached there, we clicked some photographs. It was raining while we were coming, so the weather was great, the view was amazing. And then we are heading back to our place. Hello guys, so we are at Sisu Valley and we just got done with our trek and the view was amazing.
Yeah.
We're just returning back. We have to take the zip liner again.
Yeah.
So we were supposed to return back by 5:30 and it's already 5:50 now.
Wait.
So it was raining when we came here, but then I think all the struggles that we had, it's worth it. You can see some sunshine there and the view, the whole drive until here. We drove around 45 kilometers, but trust me, it's all worth it. So if you're planning to come to Manali, I think you should not miss this place.
ऐसा
If
लग
you
रहा है
love
मैं
nature.
इंटरव्यू ले रही हूँ.
You
What else?
photograph.
What else you wanna share?
At least I'm trying, Ravina.
Yeah.
You're not even-
Yeah.
See, there's some local farming going on. See.
गोभी है ये.
So if you see, whatever kind of person you are, you love aesthetics, you love nature.
Whatever
you want
kind
to
of
have,
person मतलब.
you want to have
Drug
photographs, you
addict.
are, no, even if you're drug addict, probably you can get some stuff to smoke up here. So this place is.
She was dressed something else, but
So we actually, I mean, this jacket.
actually we are very flexible that way.
Inside my jacket, I have the other outfit, as in inside hers also, where we were clicking pictures. And
TMI क्यों दे रही है? Inside her
because you were
also.
seeing our pictures.
Yeah. Everybody
Which
is
is
very.
obviously not in this outfit.
Everybody is very keen. अब मैं गिर जाऊंगी. Wait, let's stop the vlog. बता.
So we're done with the trek. We're going to take the zip line back to the base where we have parked our
Base Everest base camp नहीं है.
back to the place where we have parked our scooty. So the rented one, by the way, just for your information.
Nobody asked, but it's,
You should know how. I mean, people should know how we have come here. So
this is the zip line.
we were initially pretty scared.
We have
take the
to go
zip line, but I
there.
think it's pretty fun. We'll be crossing Chenab. It's flooded, so it looks kind of scary.
तू क्या बेयर गेम्स है? हाँ? अब हम करने जा रहे हैं.
अरे भाई, the vlog में तो you should give.
She was too excited for zipline that she gave her phone to some stranger. Then we had to wait for about 10 minutes.
For
पूछ
these
के
guys
दिया
to
तूने.
finish, come here, and then give my phone back. And all this while I was shit scared. What if these guys run away with my phone?
You should say bye.
Bye.